He's hit that one, and he's hit it a long way. Terrific stuff. That is outstanding batting. Sliced away. 4 runs.
Oh, goodness me. That is a fantastic shot. Gets him to 50 as well. His 23rd one-day international 50. Abdul Razaq applauded in the crowd. He's destructive, all right. The equation now 59 from... That's a good shot. Oh, goodness, that is clubbed. That is clubbed. It's gone really flat. JP Duminy running to his left would have thought that he'd have a chance. It's gone for 6.
Well, that was a great shot. Sean Langerfeld just missing his length. Didn't get it far enough up. So good strike by Abdul Razaq.
Oh, goodness. Abdul Razaq turning it on for Pakistan. 2 sixes in the over.
Well, he's dangerous. That much we know.
Free hit. Oh, picks it up. What a shot.
And hope for the best.
That's why he wants to be on strike and he wants to hit some boundaries and ensure that Pakistan get home. Oh, 6 off the first ball, throws it wide open. Oh my word. Goodness me. That was a crack off the bat. 4 runs.
Pakistan have done well to get this close. They were out of it. They were well out of it until Abdul Razaq took over.
Oh, goodness me! He smoked that right onto the embankment. Fantastic shot for 6. Believe it. Can you believe it? 100 up. He brings it up with 100. With a 6, I should say. 105 of 70 balls. Just 2 runs left to get now for Pakistan. This is in the slot. And he just dispatches it out the park. Fine leg. Oh, it's a big appeal from behind. AB de Villiers has gone up, but a belated appeal from Helby Morkel. He's convinced AB de Villiers. They're having a fantastic time. They were sad a bit earlier. Felt that Pakistan had capitulated again. Different now. Pakistan have got home. A sensational innings by Abdul Razaq. 109 from 72 balls. He's taken his side single-handedly home and beaten South Africa. It was done and dusted. Johan.